Robots are becoming more common. We see them in factories and hospitals. Robots are even in our homes. They are changing how we live and work. Robots are getting smarter. They can do more things than before. This is because of advances in technology. We can expect even more robots in the future. Robots are important in manufacturing. They can do repetitive tasks quickly and accurately. This helps factories make products faster and cheaper. Robots can do dangerous jobs. They can work with heavy machinery or hazardous materials. This keeps human workers safe from harm. Car factories use many robots. Robots are changing healthcare. They assist in surgeries, making them less invasive. This leads to faster recovery times for patients. Robots can help care for the elderly. They can remind them to take medication and assist with daily tasks. Robots can provide companionship too. Robots are essential for space exploration. They can withstand harsh environments that humans cannot. Robots can explore planets and collect data. Robots have helped us make incredible discoveries. They've found evidence of water on Mars. Robots have also studied distant stars and galaxies. Section 5. Robots at home. So, robots are becoming more common in homes these days. For instance, robot vacuums can clean floors automatically, making our lives a bit easier. And then there are smart home devices that can control lights and appliances with just a voice command or a tap on your phone. Robots can provide entertainment too. Toy robots, for example, can interact with children, offering both fun and educational experiences. Some robots can even play music or tell stories, creating a more engaging home environment. Section 6. Are robots safe? Some people worry about the safety of robots. They fear that robots could malfunction and cause harm. It's important to design and use robots responsibly. There are rules and regulations for robots. These rules help ensure that robots are used safely. We need to continue to develop safety standards as robots become more advanced. Section 7. Will robots take our jobs? Many people worry that robots will take their jobs. It is true that robots can automate some tasks. However, robots also create new job opportunities. We need to adapt to the changing job market. We need to learn new skills to work alongside robots. Governments and businesses can help workers adjust to these changes. Section 8. Robots in the future. Robots will continue to evolve. They will become even more intelligent and capable. We can expect to see robots in even more areas of our lives. Robots could help us solve some of the world's biggest challenges. They could help us fight climate change or find cures for diseases. The possibilities are endless. Section 9. Robots and us. Robots are becoming an integral part of society. They offer numerous benefits, but also present challenges. It is important to approach robotics with a balance of excitement and caution. By embracing responsible innovation, we can harness the power of robots. We can create a future where robots and humans work together for a better world.